Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace shocks on your Jeep Wrangler. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a complete socket set. Ensure your Jeep is parked on a level, stable surface, and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific torque specifications and any model-specific instructions before you begin. Once your Jeep is safely supported on jack stands, you can begin removing the old shocks. Start by taking off the wheels to give yourself ample space to work. Next, locate the upper and lower mounting bolts for the shock absorber. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to carefully unbolt these connections. Once both bolts are removed, you can pull the old shock free from its mounts. Now it's time to install your new shocks. Some new shocks might come compressed or require compression to fit, so use a strap or vise if necessary. Carefully align the top of the new shock with its upper mounting bracket and insert the bolt, but don't tighten it fully yet. Then, guide the lower end of the shock into its mount and secure it with the lower bolt. With the new shocks in place, it's crucial to tighten all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's exact torque specifications. This ensures everything is secure and safe for driving. Once all bolts are properly torqued, you can reinstall your wheels and carefully lower your Jeep back to the ground. Remember to double-check all connections and ensure no tools are left behind. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.